Here goes Iris. She's never been this high up to the fence before. So she moves herself all the... Yes, you can get to the fence. Whoa. How are you? She's not even touching the bottom of the ground. Oh. Go, Iris, go. Go. Oh, you don't know what to do with yourself. Go see the fence! Squirrel? The squirrels? Go get your squirrel. You can actually jump over the fence this time. You were too small. Let's see. There's our shed. Pile of wood. Oh look, there's our pool. Yes, there's somewhat of it left. Our deck. Alex. There's Mommy's car. And there's Daddy's truck. Way to the babe. And what is it, up to your waist? Yeah. Oh, lovely. Alright, so where are you getting yourself to? Oh, you getting closer to the fence? Come on. You made a nice pathway. Look. You want to look to the fence? We're almost there. Okay. Come on. Oh, come on. Jump. You're almost there. She's so excited to be like, I can look over the fence just about. Nope. You're still a little short. No barking at the doggies. Jump! Squirrel! Squirrel! Oh my gosh. There she goes. Oh, look, you got a good view! Whoa, falling backwards. Oh boy. How cold are your feet? Not as cold as my butt. Oh, buck chill. You see over there now? You made a good pathway. Oh, don't fall on me, babies. Yes. Oh, look at your face. You kind of look like you're getting a little gray in the face. Oh, the wind. Oh, we're cold. Come on, Iris. Go. You're my pathway out. Go. There's my gloves. Go. Come on. Oh, don't just pause now. Are you peeing again? Are you frozen? You're stuck. You're wedged. You're a snow dog, like a hot dog. You're a cold dog in between the snow. Oh man. Alright, come on, move. I want to get back in the house. Come on. Come on. Move. Chug along. Hey, kick the butt. Come on. Come on, Iris. Move. You want a snack? Go on. Go. Yeah, I got this. Let's go. Dee dee dee. Oh. Come on, Butterball. Come on, my little Butterball. Go. I know it's cold. You're almost there. The wind, I know. All right, come on. Go, Iris. Okay, we're gonna sit here and freeze. Over and out.